Now, listening for the HTTP traffic using a burp suite. So, burp suite is a described as a intercepting the proxy. This means burp sites between a user's web browser and application's web server, and intercept or capture all the traffic flowing between them. So, this type of behavior commonly referred to as a proxy service. So, pen tester use a intercepting proxy to capture a traffic flowing between the browser and website. Means web browser or web application for the purpose of analysis and manipulation. For example, tester can pose any HTTP request and change the parameter or tempering the parameter to sending the request to the web server. So intercepting a proxy such as a burp so allow a tester to intercept the both HTTP request and HTTP response. This allow a tester to observe that the behavior of the web application. So this is the all about the how to start a burp and listening for the HTTP traffic using a burp. In next video, we will discuss regarding the how to configure a burp suite and how to configure a proxy in a web browser to intercept the request. Now open the Firefox browser, go to option in general tab, scroll down to the network proxy section and then click the setting. In the connection settings, select the manual proxy configuration and type in the IP address of 127.0.0.1 with the port of 8080 and use this proxy server for all the protocols and make sure the no proxy for the text box is blank as I am showing the in video. So let's check it with the next video how to set up how to configure a proxy in a web browser. Now I have opened the Firefox browser. In option, go to option in general setting, or you can search here for the proxy. So it's easy to identify and network setting. Here you can add the IP address 127.0.0.1 and port is 8080 and just okay. So now we have all we configured the proxy in a Firefox. So now we will check the burp suite to identify the we have intercept is on or not in a burp suite tool. So we are opening the burp suite tool. For if your project is temporary, then select the temporary project. If you have to save project, then you can save by providing the name and file type. Means provide the path to where to save this file. And if you have to already save the project and you have to open the project, then select the open existing project and select the part for where you have to open the project. So right now we are selecting the temporary project. Just wait for a few seconds. Now go to the proxy, intercept, and check it the intercept is on or not. So Burpsuite version 2020.9.2, by default, uh, embedded browser it's installed. So you can use that browser. So there is a no need to configure any proxy in that browser. So it's by default embedded Chromium browser to start a testing purpose right away. And you can intercept is just click on that and you can off and on using a proxy. Intercept is on or off based on requirement. So you can open the browser if you have to open use a Chromium embedded browser for a testing purpose. So here is the basic related to intercept the request using a Burpsuite between the web browser and web server. So you are here you can find that the Chromium browser is already open and it find that the Burpsuite symbol here.